dito kasi ingkit match. Wala akong partner. Okay na, nakuha na phone number. Okay, pag magsasubstitution po, kapakita niyo yung number niyo pag magpapasab ha. Coaches and Captain Bolsa.
Okay.
Ready for jumbo. You're the jersey number 8. How old is jersey number? Two points.
Iba na matangkad.
A 2-point game start for chapter 1. Here comes Noco. Fast for 3. And Jonathan Noco. 3. A P to 2. Here comes jersey number 10. 2 points. Back to jersey number 26. Here comes Dimaano with a basketball. Finding his teammates. Noco again. 2 points. Noco. Score 5-4 in favor of chapter 2. Here comes jersey number 8. On the inside. Nice pass. Block shot. 4 on the shot clock. 4 on the shot clock. Jersey number 4, that's his first personal foul, first team foul.
Matagal pa. Matagal pa laban.
On his second attempt. Rebound by jersey number 58. Good. Bola po ng chapter 2 to jersey number 22. Lead back to jersey number 8. There's the foul whistle. Who's fouled at 26. Jersey number 26, that's his first personal foul, second team foul.
Maraming gagraduate dyan.
Back to jersey number 5 again. 14 on the shot clock. Pass to jersey number 68. 9 on the shot clock. Amaro onto the middle side. Jumper. Good. 2 points. Jersey number 26. And jersey number 8. Too strong. Rebound by Noco. Steal again. Go. Rebound by Noco. Pass to Dimaano. Back to Arcelo. Here comes Saliba. Here comes jersey number 22. Crisostomo. Spence. 2 points. 8-5. A 3-point game. Time remaining 7 minutes and 10 seconds.
Hindi ano.
Here comes jersey number 8. 16 on the shot clock. Out of bounds. Turnover. Here comes Noco with the jumper. No. And there's the... Here comes jersey number 8. Finding his teammates. 17 on the shot clock. 14 on the shot clock. Here comes jersey number 8. Nice pass. 2 points. Time remaining 5 minutes and 50 seconds. Here comes Dimaano again. Fakes. Here comes Arcelo with a jumper. Short. Rebound by Noco. Bola po ng chapter 1. Here comes jersey number 5. 20 on the shot clock. Go. Bola po ng chapter 2. Here comes jersey number 58. 2 points. Same ball. Lead pass to jersey number 22, Lazarin. And wow. Ball to jersey number 23. Steal. Lazarin, no. Rebound by Napo. Good. Out of bounds, Chapter 2 will take possession. Jersey number 3. Here comes jersey number 58, taking his time. Use the shot ball on the game clock. 19 on the shot ball. Tapping in, violation. Substitution. Here comes jersey number 8 on the run. Lays it in. 2 points. Here comes Umali. Lays it in. And there's the foul. 1 minute. Who's fouled left? Fouled by jersey number 21. Jersey number 21. That's his first personal foul. Third team foul. Left on the first quarter. Ready for Sabre. There's the foul whistle. Who's fouled left? Fouled by jersey number 4. Jersey number 4, that's his third personal foul. Rebound is on miss. No. There's the foul whistle. Who's fouled left? Here comes jersey number 8. 15 on the shot clock. With the jumper. 2 points. Two minutes and 50 seconds left on the first quarter. Back to Holon. With the jumper. No. 2 minutes and 35 seconds left on the first quarter. Here comes jersey number 58. Miscommunication, out of bounds.
Side ball.
Here comes jersey number 12. Back to jersey number 21. Colon. 19 on the shot clock. Backboard violation. Substitution. Kaya flash po ng camera, ate. Flash po ng camera. Thank you po. Here comes jersey number 8, Amoro. Back to jersey number 58, first for 3. Too strong. Rebound to Holon. Here comes jersey number 25. Last 2 minutes from the first quarter. Nice pass. No. Here comes jersey number 8. Bola po ng chop.
Tatlong oras ka na eh. Dapat tatlo ulit.
Jersey number 8. Jersey number 28, far for 3. Too strong. 16 on the shot clock. Substitution. Rebound by jersey number 21. Go. Hook shot. Go. Ball by the jersey number 21. 4 on the shot clock. Good. Bola po ng chopper 2.